Okay, hi guys. Today I'll be showing you how to draw wings of fire dragons. It's kind of hard. Can you see me? Okay, so you can barely even see my pencil. Just my pencil. Okay, so first you start out with do I need to move this like or something so you all can see? Okay, first you start out with a simple circle. Did that mess up? No. Okay. Looks like this. And then, okay, this is hard. I messed up my circle too. Sorry guys, it ruined. Okay. Okay, here we go. That's a better circle. And then we'll go like this. Oh, and P.S. This is, rain wings. I'll probably do more sometime, but today it's only rain wings. And then we go like that, and then as you, I didn't know if that looks pretty weird. Okay, that's too long. It looks different for the screen on the iPad than for it is in real life. No, you can't see it now. Sorry. It's kind of hard when it comes to this. Oof. Okay, I hope that works. Oh my god. Sorry about this erasing. I need to get it perfect. Good thing this isn't live. Anything like that. It needs to be more straight. Make sure it looks better than this when you're doing it. Okay, and then they always have this little thing. Still kind of long, but trust me, it looks different in real life. So yeah, they kind of have like this thing. The circle, you can erase that once you get to this part. Okay. And then you have their little nostrils. They usually have like sort of some snout, sort of like that. I like to do big eyes to make them look cuter. Okay, and then we have this. I'm gonna move this so it looks more ordinary. Okay, I'm gonna outline this part a little. So far, it doesn't really look like a rain wing. I'm failing. Okay, I'm gonna get over here. And it starts to look more like a rain wing. Would this help look like rain wing? I don't know. That kind of looks weird. I'm gonna erase that part. Boy. This is crazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep it like that. And maybe like sort of do this to make it look. Okay, and then we have the neck part of it. First go like a squirrel sort of. And then we make that outline to look better. Sorry for this one part of it. Would leaf wings be easier? I feel like leaf wings are just like rain wings, but... here we go. Sorry, you can't see it. Okay. Don't you think it's weird that in Book 3, rain wings don't have prisoners or anything and they're so nice, but in Book 4, Glory, like, changes them to look like, they're like, take Starflight and Fate Speaker when they're trying to rescue Flame, and then side, they're just like, you are now our prisoners. Even though in book 3 they didn't have prisoners. What did Glory do to them? Wait, that's mostly Tsunami because she was training them. What has Tsunami done to them? It's perfect. Wait, you guys can't see it that good. Okay, there we go. It's perfect. It's a masterpiece. And with the wings, I'm not done drawing the others. You go like, usually have like something like that to start with. I need to do it closer. You'll usually have this to start with, like a curly, sort of. Forgive for saying curly. And then you go like this. And like outline it. And then the flap of the wings goes like that. I don't know. I just tried. Okay, I think I need to erase this part of the ring wing to make like the leg right in front. Okay, that looks fat. Forgive me. I know. Forgive me, that looks so fat. What happened to your leg, Mrs. Rainwing? Okay, this looks better. What happened to your leg, Mrs. Rainwing? Your leg? It's gun time. No, it's not. I'm very busy, Jack. Forgive me, that's my brother. Okay, here we go. And then, you can't see. I'm looking at my screen and I see that you can't see. But don't worry. So, should I ever step? No. Sorry, that looks bad. Okay, too far. When it starts to get smaller to get into the tail, when it starts to get smaller to get into the tail,
sure.
that's when the tail starts. So you have to have your legs closer.
Crazy world we're in.
Maybe like that, sort of. This ring looks so crazy. They're uneven and everything. Okay, and then I'll erase this part so this can be the front leg. No. But yeah, that's kind of. And I think you can like crest it right here to show another leg in the background. And then, of course, ringlings have little designs on their necks. Sort of. I'm gonna do triangles. Don't know why. I don't know. I just like triangles and. I messed up.
Looking to do. We have a kind of a sort of traditional.
Okay.
Silver.
Now I have designs on it. Kind of looks weird. Sorry. Then we like outline the snout a little. Here we go. Okay, sorry, I shouldn't have outlined the snout. Now I have to retrace this. Okay. I wouldn't outline the snout as you, and then ringwings have little spikes on their back. Okay, kind of like that.
Straight to our kitchen
And moolah. I think that's what we got. I don't know. I think I need to draw his other wing to make it look good.
a lot of it is furniture that we've had for years.
I don't know. Okay. So now he has two wings. These are kind of far behind, but I don't care. And voila, that's kind of how you draw a rain wing.
Potentially open.
And then of course you're gonna name the rain wing name. I'm gonna name this I'm gonna name this one Barry.
Light fixtures.
Barry, the rain wing. Forgive me if that's already rain wing name. I'm just thinking of the best. I didn't get these from any books. But if that's already a rain wing name, because I named one of my rain wings Mango, is that ain't true? And I just figured out in book 4 there's a rain wing named Mango. Heck, do not touch my gum, pause. Okay.
Okay.
But yeah, this is basically a rain wing. Oh, it's my best rain wing I should draw. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and bye.